Hello there, this is Linus from Good Works, and today it's harvest day. We're going to harvest all our remaining grapes because it's the middle of October and it's getting quite cold outside. So before these guys start to mold, I want to harvest them, and I'll see what I will do with it, but let's start with just harvest. And as you can see, there are a whole lot of grapes everywhere. I'm practically in the middle of a grape jungle. So yes, let's cut down. I just use this bowl to catch them like this. Very easy. Look at this. Super easy. So like 10 seconds of harvest, and I already got 2 liters. There are so much grapes, and I've already eaten, me and my family, we already eaten like half of the whole harvest, if not more, but there are still, it's hard to say, but I reckon it's still 20 or 30 liters on the branches. It's a whole lot left to harvest. And once this is full, I'll bring the big bucket. This is 3-gallon bucket, 10-liter bucket, and I will just pour them in like that. Yes. We have 2 different qualities. This one right here, they are very dark purple and it's very flavorful. Very flavorful. However, we got some that is more of a reddish color, wine red. I will show you. They are more bitter, more sour. So I guess we'll use this for jam or something like that. So I just picked the best quality first, and we will freeze these and put them in the porridge. Have some loaded branches. Very loaded indeed. It's hard to reach everything. It's probably more now than ever. These are so extreme amount of grapes. I'll show you. Take a look at that. It's an abundance. Wow. So I just finished picking, and we have 20 liters, about 6 gallons of grapes. 3 of the better quality and 3 of second quality. And I'm just gonna throw them the good quality. I will pick them from the stems and throw them in the fridge. And the other part I'm going to use to make some juice or some jam. So, let's start to do this. Quite time-consuming task. But at least I have the sun. It's a good and blessed day. It gives me the moment to mention something. That how is it possible to have such huge amount of fruit? Well, what I did prune it this summer, and I did prune it last winter. And that's really as simple as it is. It is just that Jesus says in the Bible that you prune a branch, and if you do that, it will carry more fruit. So it's not rocket science, it's not so complicated. Just prune it and it will carry more fruit, as the Bible says. That's what I did, and here I am. And I've picked probably altogether 50 liters of grapes this season. 5 of those buckets full of grapes. And it's been a great blessing for my family. It's very good, just to snack a little bit. Sweet, a bit of sourness, as good as any candy you can get, and healthy. As I sit here and pick my grapes, I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's inspired you to grow more of your own food. And now I just wish that God will bless you and that you will have a good day. See you next time. Very good. Very good.